Hi guys, it is week 17, our last week of the semester, tying up logistics and preparing for our final, our potluck, and really just conferencing and checking our grades. We don't really need a video for that, but I thought I'd make one anyways as my way of saying adieu to you, and also if you were curious about what's happening for the next 2 weeks until we're done wrapping up our spring semester, this is what's happening. So you're going to attend class this week, Tuesday if you're in the Tuesday class, Thursday if you're in the Thursday class, bringing in your journal for grading. Remember, the journal has several components to it. One of them is online writing assignments that were prompted in the discussions. One of them is free writes and from the class. Another one is note-taking and brainstorming and drafting from the class. So we have a couple different categories. They're worth 100 points, so we'll be grading them by sectioning off your score. We'll be kind of adding up your entries in your journal. We're also signing up for the final potluck. What yummy thing are you going to bring to eat? So we have lots of yummy food to share and enjoy together. And then our final, if you're in the Tuesday class, is on Tuesday, 5:15 from 10:15 to 12:15. And if you're in the Thursday class, it's on Thursday from 10:15 to 12:15. So, and that would be May 17th. So that's what's happening this week. A couple things that we're going to discuss today, or actually this week as we're grading the journals, is one, kind of for me, connecting with you and getting feedback on next semester, kind of what things I can do differently, how I can revise the course to strengthen it, make it more engaging and motivating for students in my fall semester with your advice and your feedback. And then really just making sure your grade is accurate. So checking your grade, going to grade here, and clicking on it. I can't click on it because it's open and live, but clicking on it and making sure that everything is scored correctly. I'll be finishing grading the research essays this upcoming week, but definitely before I see you in the final, so you will know your score. So that's what's happening this week. This is what our Tuesday class looks like. If you are in the Thursday class, it's really the same deal, except for instead of the kitties, you have the Will Smith doing his little shake there. So again, this week, grading journals, giving me feedback on strengthening the VO1A class for next semester, changes to assignments or activities, things that you think would be useful for students in the fall of 2018, and then really just preparing for our final, wrapping up our semester in that way. So I hope you have a great week. I hope that you take time to practice your meditation and to rest, and also to eat well so you can prepare for finals. I know they can be stressful, but just remember, come back to your center, take a breath, S-T-O-P, stop, take a breath, observe how you're feeling, and then proceed. So if you have a really good couple weeks, and I look forward to seeing you this week for grading, and then also next week on the potluck final.